Hi, welcome to Petra's Happy Place. Today we're going to do another yarn highlight, a yarny highlight. So I don't know if you saw my ice yarn haul, but today I'm going to highlight one of those ice yarns. It is called Bonibon. Bonibon, okay? This is what it looks like. The colorway that I got was yellow, white, cream, and brown shades. And what it is, it's almost like an eyelash yarn. I'm going to hold, oh, that was a good shot. Maybe. You see it has like a brown little bubble there, a little piece of fabric. Okay, let me try that one. Better? Okay. So on this one strand, it's, obviously one strand, you're going to find, on this particular one, you're going to find gold, cream, brown, rust color, and it's just it works up pretty. Okay, I'm going to show you what it looks like finished. I made, and this took less than one skein to make this cowl. Okay, so it has a little bit of give, it's not real stiff. It is a medium 4 worsted. It is 100, I'm going to hold this up so you can see it. It is 100 grams or 3.53 ounces, 175 meters or 191 yards. It is 40% of premium acrylic, 50% polyamide, and 10% polyester. It is incredibly, incredibly soft. Now, I know some don't like that fuzziness. This definitely has fuzz. I don't know if you want to call it eyelash, if you want to call it extra long halo, whatever you want to call it. It has quite a bit. Now, I'm just noticing it has some brown and then some chocolate brown. But I thought that would be really pretty for the fall. Okay, working it up. It works up beautifully. I loved using it. Now, even though it's a 4-weight yarn, I used a 5.5 eye hook, okay? And I really loved it. However, the only negative I'm going to give this is that you just don't want to frog it. Now, it's not so much that the fuzzy eyelash gets caught, but it's these little bubbles. I'm going to see if I can hold it up against my finger. Hold on. They stick out. Okay, so when you try to frog it, when you try to pull it back out, all it does is it gets caught and you have to work with it to loosen it up. I did have to do that a couple times and it was no fun, but I didn't mind it because it wasn't like a lot that I had to frog. But anyway, I am very happy with the cowl that I made, and I'm even making, I have plenty of it left. With my second skein, I was actually able to do quite a bit with the second skein. I'm making a ear warmer or a headband, however you want to say it. I'll probably end up finishing up tonight. I just have a little bit more to go. And it's going to match my pretty cowl. So let me tell you about the price, because everybody talks about how expensive they are. Now, I know that when I bought it back in September, for my birthday haul that I got it on sale. It was on sale at the time. Well, right now it is $2.66 for one skein, but you have to buy it in a package of 3. It comes in a pack of 3 for $7.99. Now, I'm looking at this yarn and I don't even know what to compare it to here in North America. So, since I don't know what exactly to compare it to, it kind of feels a little bit, not near the silkiness, but a little bit of the latte cakes. But yeah, I'm not sure what to compare it to. So as far as the price goes, I think it's pretty good for it. What did I say? 100, a little less than 200 yards, and it will make quite a bit. Like I said, this took less than one skein, and I was able to do a good half of a headband, and I just started the second skein of it. And so I still have an entire skein, probably going to be a skein and a half left. I probably have enough to make a hat to go with it. So I like this yarn, so I'm going to give it 2 thumbs up. So I'm going to put a link in the description box below. So if you would like to go over to Ice Yarns, and if you find this yarn is something that you would want to work with, I do see that they have 22 different colors, and they're all beautiful. They have pinks, blues, greens, pastels, they have rainbow colors. They just have a lot to choose from. So I'm going to put a link in the description box below. I am an affiliate of Ice Yarns. So all that means is that if you go to their website using the link below, I will get a little percentage back. It won't cost you anything more, okay? And remember, I talked about Ice Yarns in another video. So if you want to go back to that video where I discuss the cost of the shipping, and how really when you add it all up, it's still much cheaper than getting something here in the States. So I will wrap this up. I hope you enjoyed this yarny highlight. Have a wonderful evening. Have a yarny night. Bye-bye.